So you're willing to generate your first GCash account. I will be showing you how to do this process in a very easy, simple and fastest way. The first thing you want to do is to locate your new in this case I'm going to go into my browser and type GCash inside Google. Inside my actual GCash, you can go and look out for the element that says gcash.com. This is an actual application that only works directly with your phone number, so you might want to be taking in mind that you need to have an actual, in this case an actual mobile device, in order to make sure that the actual GCash actually works. So in my case, what I'm going to be doing here to have my actual first account in order to get started with the actual GCount is to generate, in this case, an actual emulator to show you how does the actual GCash actually works. Because if you open any tab, go for GCash, sign up, what's going to happen here is that we have the actual GCash registration, but sometimes he will be sending us directly inside the actual mobile application section. So what you need to do is to look out here for the element that says enter your mobile number. What you need to do is to enter your mobile, hit into the element that says enter, and in this case what I need to do is to just go for next. Now I'm going to go back into my home dashboard and try to look out for the actual GCash. I must tell you that GCash sometimes it is only available for a few countries. So if this one of course is not available for you, you need of course to check out directly into the actual store and check if this one is available for you. When you hit into the actual element that says get started, when you download and you open the actual element, you will be receiving an actual 6-digit code sent to your actual number, which is tapping into the element that says submit. Then the last thing is we'll be asking you is to enter a new account, enter the actual details, and then tap into next and the actual confirm. It will be generating you a new 4-digit MPIN that will be needed to be confirmed, and hit into confirm once again in order to log in, and you will have now access directly into your GCash element. And just like that, your actual account will be generated in no time. So I must tell you that the actual GCash registration, it's only available for users sometimes to the Philippines. Depending on the country you're currently living, it might be giving you access to inside here, it might not. So if you have any questions, guys, you can let me know into the comments below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. If you want to see more great tools like this, thank you for watching. See you next time.